attention! I added chocolate powder to the boiling water. Look at this result. I'll start by adding a 1/4 cup of chocolate powder to a pot with 2 cups of boiling water and stir until it dissolves. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of oil, and mixing well. At this point, I'll add 1/2 cup of wheat flour and mix until smooth. Once it reaches this stage, I'll transfer the dough to a bowl, spread it out, and let it cool slightly. In a small bowl, I'll add 1/2 cup of warm water, 5 grams of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and mix until dissolved. We'll pour this mixture into the bowl with the dough, add 1 cup of wheat flour, and mix well until smooth. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching from so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Emily Carter from Asheville, North Carolina. I'm really glad you're enjoying the recipes. Now we'll cover the bowl and let it rest for 40 minutes. Tell me which recipe with chocolate powder you enjoy making the most. I'd love to know. After that, I'll transfer the dough to the table. Make this recipe at home and then come back to tell me what you think. I'm sure you and your whole family will love it. And divide it into 10 equal pieces. With my hands greased with oil, I'll shape each piece into a ball. This is how it should look. Finally, I'll place everything on a baking tray. After you make this recipe for the first time, it'll become a habit. It's simple and absolutely delicious. Cover with a towel and let it rise for another 15 minutes. After that, I'll bake it at 356 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 minutes. And for a special touch, we'll sprinkle powdered sugar on top. Besides being attractive, the dough turns out fluffy and very tasty.